Hello everyone and welcome to Origin Programming. In this video, you're going to learn how to make functions in Python. So a function is a chunk of code that you can execute multiple times. This also lets you do recursion, which is calling a function over and over. So first, how to define a function, you're gonna type def space and then the name of it, calculator. This is just gonna be for what we're gonna make later in the video, and then we can have parameters for it, which we're not gonna have any for just this explanation. And if you don't want to, and also out of the parentheses, you're gonna add a colon, and then in a new line, you have to add a tab with every line of code that's in there. But that doesn't mean you can do and then go like that. And then just go back into there. They have to be connected, so these have to be in the same place. So here's an example of an error you can get with functions. So if you do too much recursion, so calculator, then this would be it would give you a recursion error. And it's because this is calling the calculator function way too many times. So what you can do to get this not to happen is to make sure that you can't have any recursion. Any recursion that repeats it 1,000 times, or that'll just have it keep going. So and number plus 1. Don't think. So if this is too long, if it goes too long, so if it goes too long, it'll throw an error. Then so let's just 100. It'll tend to, but if you put too much, like 950 maybe. Oh. Okay. Okay, 5 again. Maybe 7. Yeah, once you do it, 90 once you call it from itself or from outside, like from 1 here, also including this, 999 times, then it'll give an error. So to the real calculator, we'll just get input. I'll just have the simple no prompt. So, and op. So if op and we can actually have a function which is default to print. So how you get a function is you put the name of a parameter, which is a function that we're gonna have passed. So the parameter, and that's what it's a parameter, the name of the parameter, and that's what it's always gonna have. You can put an asterisk behind it, in front of it. That will get a list of all of the names of the things, of the parameters passed with it, without an argument thing, without a keyword name passed with it, but a double asterisk will get all of the parameters with a keyword name. It'll return a dictionary, but the single asterisk will return a list. So function is equal to print, so then we can do function and then x plus y, and we can just copy this. And then change the names, and also add elif, and asterisk, and then we're also gonna add an else case. So we're gonna we can also pass the function, so we can make like so on default it'll be print. That's what the equals print is, making the default function to print. Let's just make a math function, so x, it'll just print is x and say math as the function. So this will be calling it, and instead of having one also minus asterisk slash asterisk, and instead of calling the function what? Oh wait, int. Float. So else we're gonna say I'm just gonna print invalid operator. Then we're gonna call a calculator function again with the function, and then that's pretty much our thing. That's pretty much all we need. So we'll just get to 1.1. That is, it'll say that is 2.0. But if we don't have this, then 1 plus would be 2. Not that is 2. So let's try this. 2, 2. Okay, that works. Then x, 10, 10, x, that's 100, 10, 10, asterisk. And yeah, it works. So if we do like 10, 10, and nothing else, it'll just call it again and say invalid operator. And that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.